N5 Basic Japanese Lesson and Vocabulary. Wakarimasu. Wakarimasu. Understand. Arimasu. Arimasu. Have. Kuruma ga arimasu. Kuruma ga arimasu. I have car. Suki. Suki. Like. 好きな料理は何ですか？好きな料理は何ですか？ What is your favorite dish? Or 私は誰かのことが好きです。私は誰かのことが好きです。私はI love someone. Oh, Minnasan, I'm so sorry for my voice. Actually, I'm not well since few days.So, sorry for the voice. 嫌い dislike 私はサッカーが嫌いです。私はサッカーが嫌いです。I dislike soccer. 上手 good at 私は料理が上手です。私は料理が上手です。I'm good at cooking. 下手 bad at ダンスが下手です。ダンスが下手です。I'm bad at dancing. 飲み物 drinks 料理 cooking dish スポーツ 野球 baseball ダンス dance 旅行 trip tour 音楽 music 歌 song クラシック classical music ジャズ jazz コンサート concert カラオケ karaoke 歌舞伎 It's a traditional Japanese musical drama. A picture drawing. G it's a character like kanji Chinese character. Hiragana and katakana, these are the script. Hiragana and katakana. Komakai okane, small change. Chiketto, ticket. Jikan, time. Yoji, something to do. Yakusoku, promise. Arubaito, part-time work. Yoku, well, much. Nihongo ga yoku wakarimasu. I understand Japanese well. Daitai, mostly, roughly. Eigo ga daitai wakarimasu. I roughly understand English. Takusan, many, much. Okane ga takusan arimasu. I have lot of money. Skoshi, few, little. Eigo ga skoshi wakarimasu. I understand English little. Zenzen, not at all. Okane ga zenzen arimasen. I don't have any money. Hyaku, early, quickly. から because. どうして why. 貸してください Please lend it to me. いいですよ Sure. 残念ですが Unfortunately. Oh. 一緒にいかがですか Won't you join me or won't you join us? dash はちょっと dash is a bit difficult. Like, for example, これはちょっと This is a bit difficult. It is used when declining a invitation. ダメですか So you can't come. また今度お願いします Please ask me again some other time. It is used when refusing an invitation indirectly. 見てくれてありがとう皆さん Thanks for watching, and if you like this video then don't forget to subscribe, like and share also. またねバイバイ